Here's how to set up your schedule in SLP Toolkit if you follow a 3-to-1 service delivery model. In a 3-to-1 model, students receive direct therapy services for 3 weeks, followed by 1 week of indirect services, which could include collaborating with teachers and related service providers, classroom observations, co-teaching, assessment, and so on. When you add a new schedule to your account, you'll select a name and color scheme, enter the dates of your current school year, and then go through the calendar to deselect every 4th week of indirect services. This will ensure that your scheduled session events only show up during the 3 weeks you are providing direct therapy. At this time, there is not a way to remove single days from the calendar, but you can account for holidays and other days off school by marking those dates as absent on the agenda view. If your 3-to-1 schedule starts midweek, such as Wednesday to Tuesday, instead of a traditional Monday to Friday, then you won't be able to deselect your weeks of indirect services. Instead, keep those weeks in there, and on the agenda view, you can uncheck your calendar during those weeks to hide your scheduled events. Make sure to check it back during your direct therapy weeks. Now add some students to your schedule, and you are set!